Is your Volkswagen Polo steering wheel hard to turn? That usually means one thing. In this video, I will help you to fix it. Most likely, your power steering fluid is low, or you might have an issue with the power steering motor itself. To check if your steering wheel is really hard to move. Once you confirm that your steering feels heavy or stiff, you need to open the hood and locate the power steering fluid reservoir. At this point I will show you a speed up video because there are many steps involved, but the steering fluid reservoir, it's under the battery on the left hand side. For all the Volkswagen Polos, I have a 2007 model and you have to access it. It is not easy, but it is doable. First things first, you have to take out the battery to access the plastic covers, and after then I will show step by step what kind of screws and bolts and stuffs you have to take out. Once the battery is removed, right in the center of the plastic cover you will find a 13mm bolt head. You will need a rack or a socket to unscrew it. Since most probably those screws has been never removed, it was rusted and I was not able to get it out. So I have decided I will bring an impact machine and that will do the job. You would find that impact machine useful during the process. So not just that one had a bit of rust, actually all the screws was rusted and the impact machine was very useful during the process for me. And I will speed up this part because there are two screws for the air filters what you have to take out for a 10mm bolt head. Once all the three screws were out, the two holding the air filter and the one holding the battery support, the bottom part, then I was able to get out the battery support and access the steering fluid reservoir or the steering fluid tank. So it was not easy to access the oil tank for the steering wheel or hydraulic or drive oil, but that's actually the bottle, and if you open it up you see in my case it's totally empty, and that's why my steering wheel it was moving hard, and you have to really see put on the level of that cap. And let me add some oil right now. Due to the lack of tools, I'm trying to let the oil flow in, and there is a lot of oil missing, which is not a good sign. So you shouldn't refill fully, completely. There is a level indicator which is right now dry, but if you screw in you would see the right level, and I'm at the exact good level, so I will leave it like that. And also it's a good idea to clean a bit this hole out, because that's where the bolt was actually going. I will put some extra oil on those two bolts which are in the background. You might don't see it from the air filter, but for the next time it comes up easier, because as you have seen it was I was using an impact machine to get that off, and it's usually shouldn't be the case. Putting back the parts, it was much easier than getting them out. I also speed up this part because I don't want to waste your time. And the final result, like after adding the oil, the steering wheel and all the system was working back to normal. So in my case, the oil were missing. And with that, I'm closing this video. But if you think this video was helpful by any mean, please hit the like button and leave your comments below. See you in the next one. I wish you a great day.